Hey guys, Ed here, and in this video I'd like to show you how to replace your front turn signal in Honda Pilot. This is a 2017 model. So let's get into this. Actually, it's a very simple procedure, and I really love Honda for doing this to its customers, for making everything simple. So our turn signal is actually located right here. It's inside. So in order to get there, we need to get out this plastic cover. Okay, so let's get it out. Okay, so I'm doing it this way. Just take a regular flathead screwdriver, get it in here, nice and easy, don't scratch the paint, nothing, and just open it. Okay, as you can see, it came off really easy. Just leave this thing here hanging and you can get your hand inside. So once you have your hand inside, you're gonna feel the bulb. You spin it like this and pull it out. Here it comes. Easy. To remove it, you press this cover, or this pin right here, this one. Press on here and pull on the bulb. That's it. When you need to get a replacement bulb, get the replacement bulb. You will put it in the same way. Okay. Sorry, one hand, I'm not comfortable. Put it in, then you just wiggle it in the hole, goes in, and find. So you have, it's impossible to film from inside. No, it's gonna be too dark, but you just get it in and spin. Okay, so you find the correct position, spin it till it clicks, you put it in, tick, and it clicks back. And that's it, it's in there. Then we just put this thing here, click this back in here, and they're all set. That's it. It's very simple, as you can see. So guys, if this helps, please press like button. Have a great day. Enjoy. Bye.